What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your Fire tablet to looking like this to this. Let's get started. And before we begin, I just want to let you know that I am not responsible for any damages you do to your device, so before we get started, just remember that. You'll need a computer running Windows 10 or above, your Fire tablet, and the cord that came with it. Now let's begin. After downloading the file in the description, we're going to right click on it and click extract all. And now click extract. After the file has extracted, we're going to right click on Fire Toolbox and click run as administrator. Once the UI pop-up shows, we're going to click accept or yes. Now we're going to open settings. We're going to click on device options. Click on about Fire tablet and tap the serial number 7 to 8 times. Now we're going to go back to the new developer options. We're going to select off to on. Click OK. And then scroll down to USB debugging. And also click OK. Now we're just going to plug in the Fire tablet via USB. And then click OK. And then click OK again. Moving back to the PC, we're going to click on Custom Launcher. Once the new pop-up shows up, we're going to click on the drop-down menu and select a launcher that you would want. We're going to click on Nova Launcher. Now we're just going to click on Install Nova Launcher. Now we're going to head back to the tablet and click accept. Now we're going to click on the 3 lines menu and click on settings. We're going to scroll down to safety and click on run on startup. Enable. Now that the launcher has finished installing, we can safely close out the app, and now we can run through the setup of the launcher. We're almost there. We're going to click on Google Services. And now we're just going to simply click Install Play Services. And that is it to turning your Fire tablet into an Android tablet. Thank you guys for watching. Comment if you had any problems with Fire Toolbox, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!